Hello students, what's up? How are you? I hope you all are doing good. So I'm here with my new video of chapter number 3, National Income and its related aggregates, class 12. I hope you were missing me and my videos, so here I am there with a new video. So I'm starting this chapter from the beginning, chapter number 3, National Income and its related aggregates. And students, my chapter 1 and 2 is already over. If you want to see that video, just go on my channel, playlist is there, go and watch it. So students, first today we will do the introduction and meaning of national income. Students, tell me, what is the meaning of national income? National income is the income of the whole nation, the income which the whole nation earns, right? So in this chapter we will see what you will learn in this chapter. This chapter deals with the national income and its related concept. National income is very important concept. It is the way by which we can find development of a country. What does development means? Increment of something, positivity, right? So in this chapter we could be able to know that how the development of the nation will be done via national income, right? So here is the notes of national income. If you want to get the notes separately of the whole class, any subject 11th and 12th, then just comment me. I will tell you that from where you will get it. So national income, as the name suggests, it is a kind of income of a whole nation. What does national income means? It is the income of the whole nation, means the income which the whole nation earns during a particular period of time, right? Second, in this income, whole persons are included who is of the age of earning and who can earn their earning, right? The person of a earning age means the person who is not a child labor. Child labor means the the children who are less than the age of 18 years. The children who are not of the less than the age of 18 years, if they are earning from the legal source. Of course, legal source is included. Illegal source means the amount which you earn by theft, the amount which you have earned by robbery, burglary, that's all are not included in the national income, the legal way, right? And of the earning age. Then national income is always a concept which will result in growth and economy. More the national income, more the development of the nation. Less the national income, less the development of the whole nation, right? Then development is measured by it only. How can we measure the development? We can measure the development via this only, right? Then fifth point, national income is the sum total of all the factor income. What is the meaning of factor income? In the previous chapter, you must know that there are 4 factors of production, that is land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. In the similar way, factor income is the income earned by that factor of production only. It is given by the producer sector to the household sector. What does factor income includes? It includes rent, profit, interest and salary, wages, right? It is earned by the resident of the country. Who are the resident of the country? I will tell you later in my next video. But resident of the country means the person who lives in a particular area in the past 12 years, means a accounting year. The national income is found early, that is one accounting year. In our commerce world, everything is measured in the 1 year. 1 year means accounting year. The national income is found in many ways. There are so many ways to find out national income. Basically, in your class 12, 3 methods are there. That is expenditure, income and value added method. That has been discussed in your next chapter. Then national income shows correct path only. It never shows the wrong path. It never shows the bad path. It always shows the positive path only. More national income shows more growth of the nation. I have told you this before only, that as the national income increases, the development of the country will also increase. National income is the sum total of factor income which is earned by the normal resident of the country. Means both of these together constitutes the national income of a nation. So student, this was the meaning of the national income. I hope you understand what does national income includes. It is the only sum total of 2 things, that is the factor income as well as the normal income earned by the normal resident of the country. If you have any doubt in the concept regarding what is the meaning of national income, then don't keep your doubt only. Just you can ask me on my comment section. I will try to answer you each and every comment ASAP. So students, this was the video based on national income. Its further concept I will tell you later. If you have liked my video, then please don't feel shy to subscribe my channel as well as hit the like button for it. and share my videos with more and more friends and groups, in your students groups, your school groups, anywhere, whatever you can, in any social media, so that this valuable content can be beneficial for all adults also. I will meet you in my next video very very soon. Till then, goodbye and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye, take care.